Global warming. Photosynthesis is of course the answer. However, growing a forest takes too much time. Now I wonder if there's anything that works too, but faster. Hello everyone, my name is Fale. I like going to the pond and I wonder why is it green? So I searched about it and I found out about algae. I went out the next day, took a water sample for me to test, and in fact I got 3 of them, and I labeled them Tasse A, Tasse B, and Column. I put a fertilizer in each of these samples, and I left them in a brightly lit area where they can get sunlight. And I also left their caps open too. Here's what we get. So for Tasse A, it's green. For Column, it's yellow, probably because of the fertilizers. And for Tasse B, it's also green. Now let's compare Tasse A and Tasse B. Tasse B is greener than Tasse A. Now what can we conclude? We can conclude that different types of algae grow at different rate because these are 3 different sources, therefore it has different types of algae. But the most important thing that we can conclude is that algae grow very fast. In just 4 days, the result is measurable and it's big when compared to trees which takes a very long time to grow. But wait, how about the photosynthetic nature of algae? Let's test them. Those are the things that we need. Weigh 10 grams of the leaves. Weigh the same mass for the water weeds, but with plus minus 5 gram because of the water mass. Put them in a filter funnel. Put them in the beaker. Put an upside down boiling tube filled with water. For both of them. Now mark the initial level of the water. Leave them for an hour and a half. Now return and mark the final level of the water in the boiling tube. Now measure the distance between the 2 points. Now we can conclude that water weeds are as photosynthetic as leaves. And if there is a difference, it might be a small difference with the same mass. Now what we can conclude from both of these tests are algae are as photosynthetic as trees, however they grow a lot faster as compared to trees and with less maintenance than trees. Now, is this beneficial for us? Well, in most cases, no. But when we cater for them and we grow them properly, it can be the solution for global warming. But how? Do not worry, I'll tell you. Now, as we all know, greenhouse effect is caused by greenhouse gases that are trapped within the Earth's atmosphere. Now, in order for us to reduce these greenhouse gases, which are mostly carbon dioxide, we need something to absorb them. and we need something to cool our earth. Now, because algae is photosynthetic and they grow at a large scale, they can absorb this carbon dioxide and they will release oxygen to cool the earth. Now, do you know that most of the earth oxygen come from algae in the ocean? Now, that's a fact. So, and secondly, we know that most of the global warming today is caused by fossil fuels. Now, I believe that one day algae can replace fossil fuels as a biofuel for us to power our machines in our daily life. So, but this is just theoretical. A lot of research and development must be put into researching algae in order for them to be able to replace fossil fuel. And with that, I'll end my video. There are already a lot of scientists and universities that put research into biofuel or algae. So I believe in the future, one day algae is the future.